In today's food and consumer goods industry, packaging not only protects products but also showcases brand value. Today, let's explore the efficient liquid packaging solution offered by the dual-lane horizontal bag filling machine. This equipment consists of a liquid filling pump and a horizontal bag packing machine, capable of fully automatic bag loading, precise filling, and sealing. It is highly suitable for products such as fruit juice, tomato sauce, and condiments. It can flexibly adapt to various bag types, including stand-up pouches and zipper bags. Whether packaging cooking oil or soup bases, it delivers efficient and consistent results. Beyond food, it also works for laundry detergent, shampoo, fabric softener, liquid soap, and other household products, truly achieving one machine for multiple uses. Each pouch delivers a flawless appearance and strong sealing, ensuring safe transport and shelf-ready presentation. Dual-lane horizontal pouch packaging machine. Professional, reliable, and versatile liquid packaging solutions. Contact us for tailored options.